So here are the things that you can do with your iPad 6th Gen 2018 version. First guys, you can use your iPad 6th Gen for note taking. So I've been using this for note taking and super smooth pa rin niya guys up until now. And you can use the Apple Pen na pwede dito and meron din siyang palm rejection guys. Kaya yung ginagamit ko kasi dyan is yung universal pen lang. So hindi nag-work yung scribble and yung palm rejection. Pero if you're going to use the pen naman talaga guys, mag-work talaga siya. Next one is video editing. So since malaki nga guys ang iPad, I'm using it to edit videos. You can also use this for playing games. So ayan yung mga offline games ko guys. Meron rin pala akong Subway Surfer and talagang nag-work siya very smooth. Number four is pwede mo i-connect yung accessories mo such as yung nabili ko guys na Bluetooth mouse and Bluetooth keyboard. So pwede mong gamitin yan. So ginagamit ko yan or sinasalpak ko yan if I'm making a flashcard guys using the ano, ano yun, flashcard app something. Ayan yung flashcards na available din sa App Store. So ayan, marami ka pa naman magagawa guys sa iPad 6 Gen 2018 and ma-update mo pa siya up to iOS 17 kaso hindi naabot sa 18. Yung akin guys, nasa max update na it is already in 17.7.8. So 17.7.8 na guys. So yun guys, and you can do many more. So it is very smooth up until now and very useful especially if you're a student.